I thrifted the skirt because she had a lot of promise. She was my silk fantasy. She had the floor sweeping length. She gives I brunch in Provence and I judge your wine order kind of energy. She looks like she owns a vineyard and emotional stability, which is frankly something I need. So I got her. But when wearing her, she's kind of giving wedding tablecloth left behind by the guests. She has no drama. She has no shape. She's hauntingly white and she's just not living up to her full potential, just like my ex is. So I turned her into this, and now she's giving art. She looks like she was sculpted out of marble and has all the expensive opinions, and I'm here for all of it. And the best part about this DIY, there's absolutely no sewing, no cutting. So put away the scissors, Jessica. We don't need them today. You don't need a sewing machine. You just need a bit of delusion and blind faith. I will say this is my favorite DIY to date. I just love the drama, the shape, everything. So let's get into it. You're going to be needing some bangles. I will link these down below. I actually wear them as accessories, but today we're using them for fun. So grab your bangles. I had around 12, and you're also going to need some rubber bands. These rubber bands I've been collecting over the years. These come with your broccoli, your hair extensions. Just grab them and use them. You do not need new rubber bands. And that's it. So now for the fun parts, the DIY. You're going to take a bangle and you're going to put it on your skirt and you're going to hide it like you're hiding a secret. So gather the fabric around it, just like you'd gather your unresolved issues from your 20s. And then you're going to secure the bangle with your rubber band, and that's it. No rules, no patterns, just intuition and questionable taste. That's what we're working with today. So look at that ruching. Isn't she gorgeous? Wow, I really got up close. I really wanted you to see that. So there we go. And you're now going to repeat this as many times as you need to. So I did this over and over wherever felt right. Some gathers were high, some gathers were low, others were dramatic. Some did make me question my life choices a bit. And I had a mirror beside me. That's why I'm looking to the side. And I would take a step back and look at my skirt and think, oh, does that eat? And if it does, you're good to go. So there's absolutely no formula. Yes, I was already in love at this point. I'm so excited with how this is coming together. I was so excited about the ruching, guys. It just looks so good. So just pick a spot, gather the fabric like you're collecting trauma. Okay, make sure you don't fall, and wrap your rubber band around your bangle. So this is so simple, and I want you to rubber band each section like your mental health depends on it. So as you can see, it's coming together. I love how this looks. I think it's absolutely fantastic. Look at me. I'm so excited. So just gather your fabric and put your rubber band in. So the bangles help hold the shape and add to the volume, which gives a skirt that sculptural, structured look that I love. So yeah, where it looks flat, cinch. Where it looks too polite, cinch. Keep going until this skirt looks like it has beef with someone. Don't think too hard. Okay, don't overthink this, Jessica. If it looks weird, that is a good sign. And I'm wearing shorts underneath. I'm not flashing you guys, okay? So I just went crazy. I think I did 10 gathers in total, if I'm not wrong. You want this skirt to be sculptural enough to confuse a fashion intern. That's when you know to stop. You'll know to stop your gathering once she stops looking like a curtain and starts looking like a concept, okay? Once she stops looking like a napkin and starts looking like an art installation, as you can see here, you know your work is done. So I kept going, and I wanted this skirt to have volume, drama, structure. I was consulting myself and thinking this kind of eats, this doesn't. So feel free to go where your heart leads you. This is not a don't snap a rubber band because that's painful. But yeah, go where your heart leads you. I want you to follow your heart and your intuition. Gather as much as you'd like, leave as much as you'd like. This is your DIY, it's your world. We're just living in it. So go crazy. So once the skirt had enough volume to take up space in someone's memoir, I turned her to the back so that I could do the back as well. So the back, the gathering, I kind of went crazy at the front. So I only did, I think, 2 gathers at the back. So you'll know when to stop, okay? So keep going and gather the fabric. How many times have I said gather in this video? But yes, that's all we're doing. So once the final rubber band is in place, you are beautifully done. Am I done? No. I looked in the mirror and I was like, am I done? No. Let's go again. Let's add one more. Okay. I really did keep going. So this is super easy. I wanted to show you the full tutorial so that you could kind of get an idea of exactly what's happening. That way you have no questions. Anyway, once all the gathers were done, the skirt is here and I'm now happy with how she looks. I think I am at this point. And then I'm going to turn her the right way the right way up. Yes. So now this is the front. And I went into the mirror for a final check on all the ruchings. I wanted to make sure I was happy with them. I did redo some of them that I felt looked a bit sus. But once that was done, that's it. So this is a skirt now. I styled her with this. I was just showing you the ruching because it's gorgeous. But yeah, I styled her with this brown lace top, some burgundy boots, and emotional stability I pretend to have. This skirt is no longer a DIY. She's an heirloom. This skirt is getting passed down generations. I am so in love with her. She's absolutely iconic. She looks like she belongs in a museum curated by someone's stylish grandma, and I'm here for all of it. So yeah. This is your sign to not throw your old skirt away. Just rubber band her into a new personality and you might surprise yourself. So this skirt has volume, character, and absolutely no desire to blend in. And I love her so much. So if you try this, please tag me or send me a picture or whisper, "It worked, Fashion Wizardry," into the wind and I'll whisper it back. So yeah, that's it from me today. If this video made you feel something, please like the video, send it to your fashion bestie, or comment bangle so that I know you're part of the Fashion Wizardry cult. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.